Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make this banana walnut bread slash cake. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. So first step, we're gonna mash the bananas. So it's, as you can see, it's completely ripe. I have here 5 small bananas. So let's mash them up. So as you can see, it's not completely mushy. I've just broken it with my fork. So this is perfect because anyway we will mix it with the butter, sugar and flour, so it's fine. So now let's set this aside. In 100 grams of butter, which is softened at room temperature. To the butter, I'm gonna add half a cup of sugar now. I'm adding in brown sugar, but if you want you can add in white sugar also. I find this very good for desserts. A little extra won't hurt. Now let's cream this together. So now at this stage, I'm going to add in 1 egg. Adding in a tiny splash of vanilla. Now at this point I will add in the mashed up bananas. Let's give it a head start. I'm gonna add in 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, quarter teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. I'm gonna sift it into the wet batter. Let's gently mix this in low speed. Now I'm gonna add in quarter cup of milk and then we will see how it goes as per the consistency. I'm adding in another quarter cup of milk. As a final step, I'm adding another quarter cup of milk. Now the batter is ready. Our batter is ready. I have here some chopped up walnuts, which I'm just breaking it into some small pieces. Now I'm gonna add the chopped up walnuts to the batter. Reserve some. Okay, let's mix it through. You see the consistency? It's almost like mousse. Now let's set this aside. I don't have a baking loaf pan, so I have a baking tray. I think this is 9 by 9. So I've lined it with some parchment paper. Now we will transfer the batter. Now with the reserved walnuts, I'm just going to sprinkle it on top for a nutty crust. Now I'm just going to gently tap it down ever so lightly, just so that it sinks into the batter. My oven is preheated to 350 Fahrenheit, which is 180 degrees centigrade. I'm going to put this in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade, which is 350 Fahrenheit, for about 30 to 35 minutes, and then we'll see how it looks like. It's fully cooked. You just insert a knife. It comes out clean. It's fully cooked. Okay, we have our banana bread or cake, however you want to call it. I'm gonna cut it into loaf size. It's so moist. It's so delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please do try and let me know in the comment section below how it turned out to be. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel for all the future videos. Thank you. Bye.